to change ourselves for the better. If we are fortunate to get a good peer group, your peers can play a vital role in the shaping of our personality. Their way of looking at life may influence us to change for betterment. Some of our peers are our close friends who do not pressurize us to do things but rather inspire us to change ourselves. Our peer group may actually persuade us to bring about a constructive change in our personality. Peer pressure can lead us to make the right choices in life. So now we are going to know the positive effects of the peer pressure. Firstly, adopting good habits. Peer pressure is not always bad. It can help us reflect on yourself. Peers may teach you good things and encourage you to follow them. Looking at what others do can help you bring a positive changes in your way of thinking. If you can pick selectively, peer pressure can push you towards something positive. For example, when a child knows that some of his friends regularly read storybooks or that they have subscribed to a library, even he feels tempted to do so. He may get into a habit of reading because of his peers. Seeing that some of your friends exercise daily, even you may take up the habit. Positive peer pressure can lead you to adopt good habits in life. Second thing is that exposure to the world. Your peers, their choices and ways of life give you a glimpse of world outside the four walls of your house. What they think about things in life, how they perceive situations, how they reach in different circumstances can actually expose you to the world around. Being part of a larger group of peers exposes you to the diversity of human behavior. This makes you reflect on your behavior and know where you stand. Peer pressure can lead you to make right choices in life. Here is the third point, giving up bad habits. If you're fortunate enough to get a good peer groups, your peers can influence with the shaping of your personality in positive way. Their perspective of life can lead to change yours. Its positive peer pressure can make you quit smoking or give up bad habits that you may have. Your peers can inspire you to become more optimistic or more confident. Your peers may influence you to change and make you a better human beings. And here's the fourth point, improvement in academic performance. If the peer group happens to be in a school, you will discover a lot of positive changes happening in your teenager. Since the urge to belong to a peer groups in all about feeling included and accepted, there is also this natural tendency to behave and become like other members of a peer groups. Therefore, when the members of the peer group believe in doing well in class and doing their regular lessons with care, you will find your child also following suit. The direct effect can be observed in the grades. The teenager will not only learn to focus on his studies, but will also show an inclination in getting involved and participating in several extracurricular and sports activities in schools. Here is the fifth point, improvement in communication skills also. Whether the peer groups comprises of a school friends, neighborhood friends or cousins of an extended family, the effect can also be seen on your child. Among the other apparent effects, you will find that the communication skills of the teen improving significantly. His approach, attitude, behavior will always be positive. Here is the last point, development of human skills. He will learn to value relationship and will learn that it is important to become an responsible individual. This way you will find him making informed choices where he is aware of the fact that values needs to be protected and upheld. Their natural confidence helps them to grow up with a strong leadership skills as well. A student whose friends excel in academics may be compelled to study harder and get good grades. Players on a sports team may feel driven to play harder in order to help the team win. This type of influence can also be extended to get a friend of drugs or to help an adult take up good habits, drop a bad one. Here is the example of study groups, class projects and even book clubs are examples of positive peer groups that encourages people to better themselves. Friends also help teens learn good social skills. So this is my view of the peer pressures. That's it.
Good morning, honorable judges and my dear friends. I am Hudson Gill. My topic is peer pressure is a motivating factor, and I am against this motion. Peer pressure is basically phenomenon wherein we tend to get influenced by the lifestyle and the way of thinking of our peers. In many cases, peer pressure has negative effect on society, as it is human tendency to do what the crowd does. If your peer group has a tendency to perform harmful behavior, you will almost always be pressured into all following suit. This is very dangerous and can have two life-altering implications. Although maybe you can become more brash or foolish, you can develop an unkind demeanor or bad attitude. Certain people gravitate towards certain peers, which can negatively impact them. And these people are not always individuals which benefit your after times. These are individuals who will promote harmful habits and ideas. The teenagers, drugs, alcohol, depression, and stress. These are all the examples of negative peer pressure. Because of negative peer pressure, nowadays teenagers fall into stress, start doing drugs, smoke, and alcohol at an early age. Most teenagers experience stress when they find the situation to be tense, dangerous, difficult, or painful, and they do not have the right people to help them. They can become overloaded with stress, and that could have lead to smoking, drinking, and using a drink. In many cases, teens want to fit in the lifestyle of their friends, and they don't want to be teased about it. And afterwards, it becomes hard for them to stop it. Examples of negative peer pressure. People trying to get involved into drink, do drugs, smoke, etc. These may affect an individual being influenced, persuaded, or pushed into doing something because of peer pressure. And because of that, there can be many down effects. I don't think peer pressure is a motivating factor. Because of many times, it happens that we are forced to lead a certain kind of lifestyle due to peer pressure. There are many teenagers who experience great pressure from their peer group that forces them to drink, to a drug addicted, or any other grave habit. It can lead to a loss of individuality. Peer pressure can actually lead you to your test of life. Force yourself to begging, liking, what they liking. This is a person loses his original way of looking at life. Negative pressure of peers are everywhere, and you may never know where it could be happening. It can happen at any moment. So you not to always give up and start saying no. Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself, and the right people will love the real you. Thank you.
Also, you are mentioned that you are saying that peer pressure is negative impact in our life. So, according to you, my question is it hard to say no to friends?
No, it is not tough to say no to your friend. Because it is very important not to go according to follow your friends and say and sometimes it becomes hard to say no your friend, but your duty is to influence to your friends to stop following.
Yeah, according to you, it depends on our friends. What type of friends you choose?
I choose.
Okay, next question, sir. Where can you ask for help about peer pressure?
We always try to follow our value, inner soul value of inner